Good morning, children. Come, let's study Kar Chale Hum Fida, written by Kaifi Azmi, which he had written for a movie called Hakikat. Right? So here, the soldiers, they are talking to us. It is about the Indian soldiers. The poetry is about the Indian soldiers who are there on the border at the front, and they are talking to us. Okay, how they are feeling and what they expect from us, and what all they are going through, and how they want to hand over to us, because probably they are wounded or they are dying, and they want the fight for the security of the nation to continue. So I'll just read the poem once, and as usual I want you to read it along with me, and so that you are aware of all the words and the spellings. Okay, please pay attention to the spelling while you're reading the poem. Okay, come, let's start. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया। मरते मरते रहा बांकपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज़ आती नहीं। हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे, वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं। आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। राह कुर्बानियों की न वीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले। फतह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है, जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले। बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, आई थिंक इट शुड हैव बीन सर पे इंस्टेड ऑफ सर से। बांध लो अपने सर पे कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। खींच दो अपने खूं से ज़मीं पर लकीर, इस तरफ आने पाए न रावण कोई। तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे, छू न पाए सीता का दामन कोई। राम भी तुम ही लक्ष्मण साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। One of my very, very, very favorite poetries, and I get really emotional while reading it. So, yeah, let's come to the first para. कर चले हम फिदा, फिदा मतलब sacrifice. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, जान और तन. So we are sacrificing our lives for the country. We have sacrificed our lives for the country, or not sacrificed because they are still talking, sacrificing, on the way to sacrifice. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. हवाले means to hand over. Now we are handing over. What are we handing over? To you. To you means to us. The soldiers are telling us, the countrymen, the Indians. Vatan Sathiyon, we are handing over our country. Our country, the country which belongs to all of us, we are handing over our country to you now. Okay? सांस थमती गई. So slowly, as so I am told that while they were the soldiers were walking up Leh Ladakh, they didn't have enough warm clothing at that time. This was right initial times, immediately after our independence. So he says कि सांस थमती गई and nabz जमती गई. It was so cold. It was so cold, -degrees, and they didn't have enough warm clothes. And any which ways, when you climb with that height, okay, so you become breathless. Saans thamti gayi, we were becoming breathless. Nabz is pulse. And the pulse also, because it was so freezing cold, the pulse also began to freeze. Okay, the blood began to freeze. फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. So how much ever uncomfortable we were, how much ever breathless we were, how much ever our blood was like freezing, it almost freezing, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. Still we did not stop walking. We didn't stop or run away. We continued walking ahead. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं. So there were so many soldiers. So they are telling even if we die, okay, even if lots of people they died, lots of our people they died, but we saw to it that सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. But we didn't let things come to the position where like Himalaya we consider our crown, like our father. So we did not let Himalayas head bow down in front of, if I'm not mistaken, it is about the Indo-China war. This poetry had been written at, keeping that in mind. So sir Himalay ka humne na झुकने दिया. We did not let Himalayas head bow down to these bow down. Okay, this pronunciations, there might be a few mistakes, so please bear with me. So we did not let the head, Himalaya to bow down in front of our enemies. मरते मरते रहा बांकपन साथी. बांकपन is style, attitude. So even when we were getting killed, even when we were dying, we died with style. Like we had full josh. Okay, so even when we would get beheaded, still we didn't get scared, we didn't try to run away, we didn't show our back to the soldiers, to the enemies. Okay, marte marte, even while dying we were in full josh, full attitude. Okay, but now that we are dying, almost all of us, so they are calling out to us, ab tumhare hawale watan sathiyon, we are handing over our country to you. Means handing over the duty of protecting our country to you. Okay, then he says, जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर. मौसम, season. So there are lots of seasons keep coming, going. You have the summer, winter, rain, autumn, all of them. So you will get a lot of time to, most of us, we just live our life for 50, 60, 70, 80 years. Okay, but so that you will get plenty, that time you will get plenty, but जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. Rut is again season. Jaan dena is to sacrifice your life. But the season to sacrifice your life for the sake of your country, to protect your country, that doesn't happen every day. Okay, it can happen to you only if you are that lucky that you get a chance to sacrifice your life for your country while protecting your country. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुस्वा करे. रुस्वा इज डिसग्रेस. ओके, वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं. जवानी इज यूथ, खून इज ब्लड. सो when a youth, okay, if he does not fight for the country, if there's no bloodshed, okay, when a youth doesn't fight for the sake of his country, then he's totally disgracing husna, that is beauty, and ishq, that is love. So here the beauty and love needn't always mean towards a woman, towards a beloved. It is towards a nation. So you are spoiling the name of your nation. Okay, if you don't, you're disgracing your nation, let's put it that way, if you do not sacrifice your life to protect your country. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों. दुल्हन, bride. Okay, so why is he telling कि suddenly the land has become like a bride? A bride wears a red colored sari or lehenga or most of the time. So a bride wears red, right? And the land, because of the bloodshed, it has turned red. Okay, there is blood all over, spattered all over. तो आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों. So many people have given up their lives for the sake of the country, and now that we are almost on the verge of dying, like finished. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Please come ahead and take our place and fight for the nation. Then राह कुर्बानियों की न वीरान हो. कुर्बानी, sacrifice. वीरान, to deserted. So see to it that the path to sacrificing for the country, it doesn't get deserted. It's not left empty. Okay, see to it. तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. Kafila is like a karwa, a fleet. Okay, so see to it that the path to the sacrifice for our nation doesn't get deserted, and you keep walking in karvas. There should be a continuous inflow of our people, right, of the Indians, the youth, who are ready to fight with the enemy countries who want to take up our, like, none of us will like anyone walking into our house, isn't it? India is our home. So how can we allow anyone else to get into our home, to capture it? So we have to keep moving ahead, keep fighting, and even if we die, then someone else should take our place. At no point of time, Kaifi Azmi says, कि the path to sacrifice should get deserted. फतेह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है. फतेह is victory. Jashn is celebration. So fighting for your nation and getting killed is a celebration in itself. Okay, so when this keeps happening, definitely we will win. So that celebration, the celebration of winning, will happen after the celebration of sacrificing our lives for our country. So फतेह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है. So this is a jashn happening. This is a celebration where happily we go and we kill hundreds, we kill thousands, and then one of us die. Okay, so we take pride. Okay, so he says ki this celebration, after this celebration will come the celebration of winning over the enemies. Okay, zindagi maut se mil rahi hai gale. At this point of time, life is hugging death. So this is one celebration that's happening, and after that we will have the celebration of winning. So बांध लो अपने सर पे कफन साथियों. Kafan is a shroud. So this is a cloth where we cover the dead body, with this cloth, right, for their dignity, for their privacy. So बांध लो अपने सर पे कफन साथियों means you be ready to get killed. Okay, you just accept that you are going to die. You needn't die, but go to the war field with that in your mind. If I die, before I die, I will kill that many, so many, and then I will die. So बांध लो अपने सर पे कफन साथियों. Tie a shroud on your head and go. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. We are handing over the country to. खींच दो अपने खून से ज़मी पर लकीर. खून, blood. Zami, the land. Lakir, line. So just like the story goes in Ramayana, where Sita asked Lakshman to go and see to it that Ram is okay, because she could hear him calling out for Lakshman. So though Lakshman told him that no one can ever harm Ram, but still she was so worried, she asked him to go and see to it that he is fine. So to protect her, Lakshman drew a line around the hut and he asked her not to step out of it. So that was called a Lakshman Rekha, right? So that's what Kaifi Azmi ji says कि खींच दो अपने खून से ज़मी पर लकीर. Draw a line, with your blood, draw a line on the land. Why? इस तरफ आने पाए ना रावण कोई, so that Ravan, the enemy, so that none of the enemies are able to step. So he's not asking to literally do. He means ki fight in such a manner that, okay, protect our country in such a manner that the enemies are not able to come into our country. तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे. So break the hands, which try to touch our nation, which try to get into our nation, which try to harm our nation in any which manner. Break the hands. छू न पाए सीता का दामन कोई. Daman is the loose end of a sari. So if our country was Sita, okay, if our country is Sita, then see to it that her sari, the loose end of her sari, should not even be touched by the enemy. Basically, it means that none of the enemy should be able to come into our country. Ram bhi tum. Okay, so now he's calling out to the people. Kaifi Azmi is saying, Ram bhi tum hi Lakshman sathiyon. So the Kaifi Azmi through the soldiers is telling us this. Okay, so the soldiers tell us ki you are only Ram and you are only Lakshman, my friends. You have to protect Sita. Ab tumhare hawale vatan sathiyon. Now the country is in your hands. We are handing it over to you. We are handing over the duty of protecting your nation to protecting our nation to you. Right? I hope the poem is clear to you, children. Enjoy. Bye-bye.